Alright, it's going to be a short video today. Just going back to what I did last night, and I was talking about these little stop cuts and about the over and under that you normally do with the Celtic knot sort of work. And on this side I've already done that. I'll see if we can look at that. Zoom in a little bit. And you can sort of see, so we can look. You can see these gaps. So it's left like a little white line here. See where it sort of goes over and under. So there's a little separation between them, and basically I've just put the chisel there and just move towards the stop cut to take out a little piece. So I'll just do that on this side too. And all right. So I'm not sure that's a bit blurry there. In a minute, might go back a little bit. All right. So where the line is, there's already a line there from where I used the knife, but I can put my chisel in there a little bit deeper if I want to. And I'm just going to use, so I've got the flat end here, so move that around. So the flat end's going to go here. I've got that bit, the bevel bit here. I'm just going to put it just a little bit back from the line, and then just push forward. And then that takes a little bit out. Move it again, so hopefully you can see that. So this just takes a little bit of practice to get the angle kind of right. But as I said in the previous video, that if you do have sharp enough, I'm trying not to get my hand in the way here, if you do have sharp enough tools, you don't really need to put much pressure anyway. And sort of just doing this does help to bring out the definition of the over and unders a little bit. A good way to sort of do it sometimes is, as I've been moving the chisel around up and down and to the sides and stuff, to sort of avoid doing that, I can just sort of keep going down in the on all the ones that I can get to on this angle. So I don't have to keep moving the chisel around. I think I might have to move that down a bit. Alright, so I just did that one. Alright. Now obviously changing the angles is a little bit harder to do when you've actually got something that's already made like this, because often when you're doing carving, you can put the wood, or depending on what you're doing, on your bench, and you can just turn the piece. But as is a table, I'm not going to be turning it upside down. And although I could technically, I could do that. I could stand it on its edge and just move move around, walk around it. I've been thinking a little bit still about this table. Oh, I've gone out of the side. I might move the camera back a little bit so I don't have to keep moving it. Hopefully. Just a little bit more. Hopefully that sort of close up those, giving you a bit of an idea about what I'm sort of doing. And the other thing about having sharp tools is that when you're just doing little detailed work like this, you don't, this is also to do with the timber too, the wood is quite soft, but sometimes you don't actually need to use a mallet, because often when you're carving you might have a mallet which you sort of get, and you'll be tapping the back of the chisel to move it through the wood. But in this case I don't really need to do that. I can just put a bit of pressure from my hand. And as I'm pushing it too, this is how I've got my hands at the back. here, and I'm just pushing it forward. And I'm using these fingers here to keep it steady. And it's sort of, these thumb and finger here, that's sort of steering it, and the pressure's coming from the back. Yeah, I think I've got everything on that angle. Looks like I have anyway. Right, so I'm going to turn the chisel around this way. I'm trying to get my hands in the way. It's going to be very hard, I think. I have to move the camera